Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are doing kinds of sentences, right? The chapter kinds of sentences in your Grammarland book. So, when it comes to kinds of sentences, first you need to understand what are sentences. Sentences mean a group of words, right, that are read together or joined together to form one whole meaningful sentence, right? That is what you call a sentence, a group of words. Okay, so here in this chapter we are going to talk about four different kinds of sentences. Okay, declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Those are the four kinds of sentences, right? Declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. You need to remember these names, okay? It's not only about knowing what is the sentence, right? It's also about knowing the name of that kind of sentence. What kind? Right now, suppose I have seen some children, they know what kind of a sentence. Now let's take for example interrogative. So when they see the question mark, they know it's interrogative, but they can't remember that particular name interrogative to write there. They know it's a question, so it comes for under a kind called starting with I, but they don't know, right, what is the proper name of that question sentence interrogative, right? So you need to remember these four names: declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Now first let's see what is declarative sentences, right? Now declarative sentences mean what are the normal positive statements you see, positive or negative statements you see, read in a book, right? With a full stop, it ends with a full stop. Makes a statement, any sort of a statement, right? Gives some information. Now if there are some sentences where it gives more information, those sentences are declarative. Then expresses an opinion or makes a promise, right? Here when you see a sentence where they're talking about a promise, like I will definitely attend your sports meet, I will definitely she will definitely come to your home tomorrow, like that, promising, right? That is declarative sentence. See the examples: there are no more cookies left. She drives a red scooter. I like to play guitar on weekends. Right? You can see there are three sentences. Example sentence I have given declarative. So declarative means normal statements which gives some information, opinion, or making a promise. Moving on to the second kind, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence mean when I say imperative sentences, only two words must come to your mind: command and request. When someone commands you, right? Suppose take the assembly as an example, a school assembly. The prefect starts to arrange you all in a line, right, in a queue. So they say stand straight, keep your hands together on side, keep your legs together, right, stand straight, what else, look front, keep quiet. All those are commands. When your teacher comes to you, she say, right, please be quiet, right, everyone be quiet, I will punish you if you all didn't be quiet, all those are commands, right? Commands ordering you around. Commands means something similar to order. They order you around, ordering not to do that, to do this, to do that, right, like that. And then making a request. If in a sentence request mean you're asking for something, right? That is asking, like you can say with the word please. Request mean there will always be the word please. So requests are imperative sentence. Then when you want to give advice, you should not do these things, right? It is not good for your health to eat this junk food. All those are advice. So advisors, requests, command, order. Then directions mean, now if someone comes and asks you, can you say me where's the library? So you give directions. You have to go straight and turn left, and then when you meet the mosque, you have to turn to the right and there will be library. So there you give directions, right? And then instructions, you're instructing someone to do something. How to cook, you're instructing. This is the way you cook a dal curry. This is the way you cook rice. This is the way you cook biryani. Instructing. So all these comes under imperative sentence. See the example sentences. Make an appointment with the doctor. Boil the water for 10 minutes. Go over the bridge and turn right. So these are the three sentences or statements, the examples I have given. Okay. Now let's move on to the third kind. This is the easiest one. This is very easy to identify because interrogative sentences means always question. Interrogative means you're interrogating someone, you're asking a question. These sentences always end with a question mark. Example, is this what you are looking for? Have you taken everything you need? Do you think she writes well? The last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence, right? Exclamatory sentences here, they express emotions like surprise, joy, pain, anger, or pity. Exclamatory sentences always end not with a full stop, not with a question mark, but with the exclamation mark, right? Exclamation. Sorry, a line like this and then a dot. Okay, that is what you call exclamation mark. For example, like this. This is exclamation mark. One line and a dot. Okay. So these sentences end with exclamation mark. Now, exclamatory sentence specially means that you talk about your emotions. You show your emotion here. When you are happy or when you are surprised, you show your surprise. Wow, he has grown so tall. It looks so pretty. You know, exclamation mark. You're showing your emotion through words. You're showing that you are happy through words. You're showing that you're surprised. You're feeling sad, pain, or anger through words. Right? What a lovely sight. How wonderful this melody is. What terrible weather. Right? These are the four kinds of sentences. Okay?